This tutorial review will show you how to make a watermark in Photoshop. First of all, add a new layer. Select text tool. Typing your text here. I'm gonna making my text bigger and changing the font and selecting black color. Change the position of the text and click on opacity. Now you can increase your opacity in your watermark. That's how we can make a watermark in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe Tutorial Review. See you in the next video.